So, what did you do yesterday?
Nothing much, just chores. I washed the dishes, vacuumed, and mopped the floors.
Yeah, me too.
Really? Are you a clean freak?
Not so much, but my place needed a good cleaning.
Was your place pretty dirty?
Yeah, it was pretty bad. But I cleaned the bathroom, picked up my dirty clothes, washed them, and emptied the rubbish. So now it looks respectable.
Yeah, you can only put things off for so long.
That's right. How was your trip to Brazil?
It was wonderful. I had such a great time.
How was the food?
It was all so good. I ate so much. I think I put on some weight.
What did you do there?
Well, we spent a lot of time at the beach, but we also went out at night.
I hear the nightlife there is really good.
It is. We had so much fun.
What did you do last night?
I just stayed home and took it easy. And you?
I went to the park and played football.
Oh, did you win?
Yeah, we won. I was so happy.
Oh, I am glad you had a good time.
I hurt my ankle, though, so it wasn't all perfect.
Well, at least you won.
How is your new job?
It's good. The job is interesting and the people are nice.
Is it near your house?
No, it is in the city, so it's far away. It takes an hour to get there.
Oh no. How is the commute?
It's long, and it is expensive, but I don't mind too much.
Why don't you take the bus? It's really cheap.
I would, but the bus is really slow and crowded. I can't get a seat.
Yeah, it is crowded. How is your new computer?
Good. It is fast and has lots of cool features.
It looks expensive, though.
Yeah, it's not cheap, but I need it for work.
Is it light? It doesn't look very heavy.
Yes, it is very light. It only weighs 1 kilogram.
Wow, that is light. My computer is so big and heavy.
Is your computer old?
Yes, it's over 5 years old. It's time for a new one.
Yeah, that is pretty old for a computer.
How was your weekend?
Good. I went to the new mall.
Oh yeah? How was it?
Great. It has a really nice food court.
Oh, cool. How was the food?
Really good. The food was delicious and not expensive.
Was it healthy?
Not really. But the portions are really big.
Oh, that's good to know.
What did you do over the weekend?
I met some friends for dinner.
Oh, where did you go?
We ate at the new pizza place near the station.
Oh, I went there last week. I really liked it.
So did we. What did you eat?
We tried the pan-style pizza. It was so good.
I didn't try that, but I heard it was really good.
Yeah, my friend told me to try it. He said it was good, and he was right.
I'll try it next time.
What did you do last night?
I just stayed home and talked with my friends on Zoom.
Friends from work?
No, friends I studied with in college.
Oh, that's so cool that you are still friends.
Well, we kind of lost touch with each other, but we recently reunited on Facebook.
I should do that with my old army buddies.
You should. It's a lot of fun. We all enjoyed seeing each other again.
What did you do over the holidays?
Not much. I bought a new car, though.
Really? What did you buy?
I bought a new Lexus. It is so nice.
Can I ask? How much did you pay for it?
It cost about $50,000. I took out a loan, though.
Wow, you paid a lot. I think I spent about $5,000 for my car, but I bought it used.
Yeah, I really wanted a new car. I think I got what I paid for, though.
How was your math class?
Not good. It is very difficult.
Oh, I thought you liked math.
I do. But the class is hard, and the teacher is really boring.
Oh, that's too bad.
Plus, the room is really old. And the chairs are uncomfortable.
That doesn't sound like a fun class.
It's not.
What are you reading?
A history book about the Mayans. I just started it, though.
Oh, cool. I just watched a documentary about them. It was fascinating.
Yeah, I learned about them in college, so this book piqued my interest.
Is it any good?
So far, so good. I already learned a few things I didn't know.
Well, can I borrow it when you were finished?
I would, but I borrowed it from the library.
Ah, got it. I'll try to check it out then. I missed class yesterday. What did you do in class?
Not much. The teacher just reviewed past lessons.
Oh, yeah? What did she go over?
She mainly talked about the essay assignment and how to write the paper.
Did she give any homework?
Yes, but she posted it on the class website.
Okay, I'll check it out then. Thanks.